If your brush won't spin, you may need to replace your belt. First, we'll start by removing the old belt. Put the Mopit in transport mode by pushing the transport pedal. Then tip the Mopit on its back. Use a 5/32 Allen tool to remove the belt cover. You can use the onboard tool for this. Loosen the two motor mount screws using a 1/8" Allen tool. Use a 3/16" Allen wrench. Turn the belt tensioner screw counterclockwise to loosen the belt. Now you can remove the old belt. Next, we'll install the new belt by repeating the same steps in reverse order. Place the new belt over the pulleys, making sure that the grooves in the belt align with the grooves in the pulleys. Turn the belt tensioner screw clockwise until there's about 1/4 inch of movement when you squeeze the belt together between the pulleys. Now, tighten the two motor mount screws. Replace the belt cover. Tip the Mopit upright and push the scrub pedal down. Reach out to Spectrum by phone or website with any questions. 1-800-290-2833. www.mopit.com.